I hope you are safe at home. So don't go outside if it is necessary. So thank you. Be aware of the coronavirus. So let us go to the topic. Previous class we discussed about that irrational numbers and finding the value of irrational numbers. We found that root 2 value and root 3, root 4, root 5 and so on. So today how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. How to represent irrational numbers on the number line. So before going to discuss about that, first we have to know that the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Any right angle triangle A, B, C. So the sum of the squares of adjacent sides, that is AB square plus BC square, is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, this is side 1 and this is side 2. So AC square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. So by using this Pythagoras theorem, we can represent irrational numbers on the number line. So let us see that. Draw a number line and mark numbers on it. Let us take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and left side you have -1, -2, -3 and so on. So this is should be equal distance. You have to mark on it. Okay, then how to find out root value? How to locate root 2 value on this number line? So let us draw a 1 unit square. 1 unit square. It must be a square. So you have to use the scale. The distance from this is 0 means O. This is point A and this is point B and this is point C. OABC is a square. The measure of length is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, this is also 1 unit. But where it is root 2. So just you have to draw the diagonal in this square. So OAB is a right angle triangle. OAB is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, so OA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. So what is length of OA? 1 unit. And what is AB? 1 unit. And what is OB? Don't know. That we need to find out. OB square. So 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. That is OB square. 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to OB square. Then OB is equal to root 2. So now the length of OB is root 2. Okay. So the length of OB is root 2. How much length is OB is there? The same length we have to take on this line. Let us take this line is L. So we have to take the length on L. Then how we take? Take a compass and draw an arc. Draw an arc. So where it is intersecting on this number line, that value is called root 2. That value is called root 2. So like this, we can mark root 2 on the number line. We can locate root 2 on the number line. Then if you want to locate root 3, then how? So root 3 is equal to, we can write as root 2 whole square plus 1. So let us see that will be cancelled. Then 2 plus 1, that is root 3, you will get it. Then this is square and this is also square. A square plus B square. Again we have take the 1 unit to this one. 1 unit to this one. So exactly 1 unit, and join this. This is 1 unit. Okay, so draw the arc by using compass. You will get root 3. Here is root 3. This is root 3. So root 4, you know that 2, and root 5. Root 5. How we can write it? Root 5. So 2 square plus 1 under root. 2 square plus 1 square under root. So on this line you have to take the base as 2 units and perpendicularly 1 unit. The sum of that you will get root 5. Again you have to draw the curve. So you can practice more, root 10, root 7. So like that you can practice, you will get more understanding. Okay, so thank you.